Good morning, everyone. I'm Vishnu Jagtap, and in front of all of you, I'm presenting the Business Standard newspaper headlines. So, first of all, power packed Jerry picks the best of India INC. Next, SpiceJet debt recast. Kalyal Aviation to pick up 7.5% in airline. Next, Air India's premium avatar by second half of 2024 CEO. Next, Acer creates arm for $3.6 billion energy switch. Next, Vedanta deal worry may hit disinvestment plan. Next, Adani fallout, NBFC for loans against shares under RBI scanner. Next, unemployment rate fell in 2021-2022. Next, LIC shares extend losing streak hit record low. Next, exit polls, BJP may retain Tripura and Nagaland. Next, PLI boost, Apple creates 1 lakh jobs in 19 months. On page number 2, in companies section under that, NCLAT upholds Adani's bid for Korba West Power. Next, Infosys roll out private 5G service for enterprises clients. Next, government offers 5G test bed free to recognized startup MSME. Next, AI's premium avatar by mid 24. Maharaja stays. Next, days of made in India passenger aircraft not for. Next, Esser Group bids $3.6 billion on decarbonization in India and UK. Next, project to be funded by both debt and equity. Next, half of beauty product orders from smaller cities, Mintra. Next, decentralized RE to upgrade India's grid networks, GE. On page number 3, in companies section under that, graded KYC for gaming entities likely to receive meet approval. Next, India key country for our regional strategy. Next, Foxlink halts production after fire. Next, Center invites big tech startup to discuss digital competition law. Next, DRL acquires Maini Pharma's US portfolio for $105 billion. Next, on page number 4 in economy and public affairs section that PM Kisan Modi releases rupees 16,000 crore in latest trenchy. Next, EPFO set May 3 deadline to option for higher pension. Next, government aid disclosure should be displayed prominently. Next, MFI's net profit more than double in quarter 3. Next, interest income boost. Next, Agnipath in national interest would not interfere, says Delhi High Court. Next, farmers held onion auction at Lasangao on low prices. Next, Japan to give loans worth rupees 2288 crore for 2 projects. Next, rupees pulls back from 82.95 on likely heavy dollar selling by RBI. Next, Vedanta deal worry may hit disinvestment plan for FY23. Next, November launch missed. India GCC trade talks may resume in March. Next, government mulls cyber security test for public CCTV buys. Next, on page number uh, 6 in economy section under that, how RBI ensured payment system stayed COVID proof. Next, need level playing field between banks and BFCs on gold loans. Next, panel to prepare roadmap for healthcare norms. Next, power packed Jerry picks the best of INC India INC. Next, deposit by PSBs up 8.8% in December quarter RBI. On page number 7 in politics section under that, advantage BJP in Tripura, alliance to win Nagaland. Next, Delhi excise case, Shishodya sent to 5 days CBI custody. Next, 635 hectares on auction, menu for investors. Next, sale Bilai gets special quality plates order. Next, liquor politics hots up ahead of polls. Next, on page number 8 in world section under that, Prachanda government on the mat has Oli pulls the rug. Next, $61 billion VMware deal, Broadcom to get warning from regulators. Next, Sunak EU strike a deal over trade in Northern Ireland. Next, P. Pfizer enters talks to buy Seagun for over $30 billion. Next, Space X NASA astronaut launch mission aborted at last minute. Next, mobile giants announce new United interface to lure cloud developers. Next, US Army plane flies through Taiwan streets, China fumes. Next, hard work was a mistake, sacked Twitter employee. Next, Stellantis to cut up to 2000 jobs. Next, on page number 9 in opinion section under that, employment and participation. Next, fair share. Next, in defense of financial globalization. Next, fixing Air India. Next, the Dalai Lama's pursuit of United Tribe. Next, on page number 15, to take section under that, power play in the coal economy. Next, unemployment rate fell in 2021-2022. Next, fresh public sector employment declined in 2022 by 8.8%. Next, then I comes to page number 16, in that with new tagline Pepsi ropes in Ranveer Singh. Next, defense major tells to hire 550 Indian engineers. Next, Pathan shows it might not be curtains yet for single screen cinemas. On page number 17, the smart investor section, under that Adani stocks trading at a valuation premium over Sunsex companies. Next, in a month, LIC stock down 15% out of top 10 in mutual fund cap. Next, valuations demand uptick, hopes favor Indian metal firms. Next, JP Morgan investment arm pursues ESG funds of Adani stocks. Next, Norway sovereign fund rises Ambani bets ahead of Ambani exit. Next, retail investors are nervous lot, expect a time-wise correction. On page number 18, in smart investor section, under that we are fancy sitter has a nifty mid-cap continuous slide. Next, Indies fall for 7th day running. Next, HRA tax exemption can be claimed on rent paid to parents. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.